Prep stage. Since this video is going to be made open to all, I'm going to do another one that has us doing more detailed backgrounds and stuff for the members on a higher tier. But this way, just in case you were wondering what the full length was like, now you'll know. Okay, so for the prep, you'll get this file that I'll make sure you all have access to. And there seems to be 18 different wallpapers for the phone, so maybe prepare 18 different images if that's what you want to do. I'd say get your photo editing thingy-mabobby open. I'm not going to do all of them, but these are the ones I will use. And if you like, you can absolutely open the file ahead of time, export this, and just have it ready. Okay. Prep done. Part 1 stars. Download Pixified template. We are going to cut to it being open. Pick one. Exports. Throw it on the floor. Oh. And we'll open it. And we'll change the dimensions. So whatever program you're using, find image size. And we're going to change it to the power of 2, of which I've looked up is 256, in this case, 512. So just as a lead up for why we're doing this, I was attempting and trying earlier, found out there was some llama issue. So my search has led me to this. And so since we're just doing the power of 2 thingamabob to it, we shouldn't run into any issues. If you do just export it normally, change the image, you'll probably have an issue. Or if you're using another mod, that's probably what it is, whatever they're doing with this. So now you know. Okay, replace the image and re-import. So instead of doing it one by one, oops, I lost where I was. I should have grabbed that off beforehand. Here we go. So instead of doing it one by one, pardon me, I would suggest just grabbing all of your pictures. Cool. So we've got replace image. For the sake of it, let's do another one. Oh, let's have it where it's actually in the place I want it to be in. Okay. So replace image. Oh. Yeah, cool. That'll do for the cut. So for the rest of us, stick all the stuff that you want in the right places so you don't need to come back and do it again. There's no need to truly repeat the process from the start. Okay. Cool. We'll save. For the cuts, for the rest of us. We're just gonna do them all now. Why wait? And re-import. I'm gonna move this to another screen, so hopefully it doesn't keep blocking this thingamabob. No, it does. Wait, this is not the same one. Hold on. Does it still do it regardless? It does. All right, never mind then. Start from the top. Good, that should do. Repeat till complete. And we technically are. Is it in the mods? Yes. Cool. That should do it. I suppose my members do already know this, but for those that don't know, the full length is just me not editing the file because it takes a really long time normally to get the stuff to look so tiny, but I do actually have to do it. So seeing the behind the scenes can be really helpful sometimes. Derek.
Burla Bura, say Bura.
See if I can actually find where they are at.
Wema, Shnafiki,
Seems like it's every other one.
Baba, Okaru, Sabini, Arimboya.
We got it.
Flippa Zorb.
Nice. This one. I'm re-grabbing so I could get a good gif out of it. Okay. Well, I can't remember the last one. Oops. Oh no, I was wrong. Okay, well, we made it. We did it. We can move on. Woohoo! For the members, I'll do one where we kind of make it look more like an iPhone or an Android or something. Cool. Well done. Part 1. Only part. Done.
Mom. Tugabor. Phoenix Schwabe. Yibs. Yibs.